Chromosomes play a crucial role in carrying genetic information, serving as the vehicles that transmit genetic material from one generation to the next. Chromosomes are thread-like structures composed of DNA and proteins, and they are located in the nucleus of a cell. The genetic information carried by chromosomes is in the form of genes, which are segments of DNA that code for specific proteins or functional RNA molecules. Here are key aspects of the role of chromosomes in carrying genetic information. Organization of genetic material. Chromosomes are structures that organize and package the genetic material within a cell. The DNA in a chromosome contains the instructions for the synthesis of proteins and the regulation of various cellular processes. DNA as genetic material. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is the hereditary material that contains the genetic code. Genes, which are specific sequences of nucleotides in DNA, carry the information needed to produce functional molecules, including proteins. Genes and traits. Each chromosome carries many genes, and each gene contains the instructions for a specific trait or characteristic. Traits can include physical features, biochemical processes, and susceptibility to certain diseases. Homologous chromosomes. In diploid organisms, such as humans, cells contain two sets of chromosomes, one inherited from each parent. These paired chromosomes are called homologous chromosomes. While they carry genes for the same traits, variations in the genes, alleles, may exist between the homologous chromosomes. Cell division. Chromosomes play a central role in the process of cell division, ensuring that genetic information is accurately passed from one cell generation to the next. The two main types of cell division are mitosis, which produces genetically identical daughter cells, and meiosis, which produces gametes, sperm and egg cells, with half the chromosome number. Chromosome structure. Chromosomes have a distinct structure, consisting of a centromere and two arms. The centromere divides the chromosome into a short arm, P, and a long arm, Q. The location of a gene on a chromosome is specified by its position along the arms. X and Y chromosomes. In humans, the sex chromosomes, X and Y, determine an individual's biological sex. Females have two X chromosomes, XX, and males have one X and one Y chromosome, XY. The inheritance of these sex chromosomes follows specific patterns. Chromosomal abnormalities. Changes or abnormalities in the number or structure of chromosomes can lead to genetic disorders. Examples include Down syndrome, which results from an extra copy of chromosome 21, and Turner syndrome, which involves a missing or incomplete X chromosome in females. Genetic inheritance. Chromosomes are key players in the process of genetic inheritance. The combination of genes on homologous chromosomes determines the genetic makeup, genotype, of an individual, which, in turn, influences the observable traits, phenotype. In summary, chromosomes are essential carriers of genetic information, and their structure and behavior are critical for the inheritance of traits, genetic diversity, and the overall functioning of living organisms. The study of chromosomes and their role in genetics has significantly advanced our understanding of heredity and the mechanisms underlying the diversity of life.